All right, everybody. I know it is dark, but we are pulling out. It is about 3:30 in the morning. So let's get this day underway. I will catch up with you guys here in a few. Once it gets light out and y'all can see me, and I'll let you guys know what we are doing today. Sorry it's so dark, but that was just we're coming through Cincinnati right now, and this clip right here is kind of more for my wife. She hates when we cross this bridge. This is a pretty good sized bridge. You can't really tell right now because it's so dark, but we're coming out of Cincinnati. We're on 71 heading towards Louisville. So we just was over here about a month ago for the Equipment Expo for the YouTube meet and greet. We're in Kentucky now, so this is the state we're going. We're just going about as far west as you can go in Kentucky. So I will catch up with you guys here after a bit and let you know what we are doing. It is just still pretty dark out. It's about 10 till 6, so we've been on the road about 2.5 hours. Alright, well, we just made our first stop of the trip to get some breakfast because my fat butt was hungry. So we're gonna back out of here and get heading back down the road. And like I keep saying, once it gets daylight, I'll catch up with you guys. But we got us some breakfast burritos from McDonald's. You know, breakfast of champions right there. I hate McDonald's. I'd much rather eat at my Carpenter's Market, local little place I get breakfast about every morning. So we're on the way. Alright, what's going on? So we are on the road. We're about 16 miles, 17 miles before we get to Louisville, Kentucky. Like I said, we were just down here for the Utility Equipment Expo. Probably a little over a month ago, I guess. But we are actually en route to pick up a new flatbed trailer. I've been searching and searching and searching for one, and I could not find one anywhere local or really anything other than custom ordering one. Well, not custom ordering, but ordering one. I've been looking for a 20 to 22 foot long bumper pull, 14K GVW, gravity feed tilt deck with an at least minimum 4 foot of stationary deck. And company I've been working with down here just got one in yesterday, and he said if I wanted it, I better get down here and get it. So I put a deposit down on it yesterday, and that's what we're doing. We're heading down here. So we have it's a Big Tex. Overall, it's 22 feet long. It's got a 6 foot stationary deck. So 14K. everything I want in one, so we're heading down to pick up a new trailer. So, kind of excited about it. Big reason why I'm getting another trailer, because you know I don't have enough already, is because I'm in the market for a mini excavator, and I have my gooseneck, but it is only a 10,000 pound trailer. When I bought that, I was more or less wanting something that I could haul vehicles on and load lumber on and off of real easy, because excuse me, I think I got another one in there, but it's not coming out. But original reasons for my gooseneck was to haul lumber on and haul cars on, because I hate hauling cars with fender wells, because you end up catching a tire on a fender well, blowing a tire. It's just a big time pain in the butt. So, and I had planned to get a mini excavator, and I figured it would kind of do it all, but I'm still planning, and I am looking and looking for a mini. It's just a matter of finding one that I want or ordering one. But ordering one, I want a Yanmar 55. If I get new, I'm looking at 6 to 8 months before I can get one. But the gooseneck won't do that, because that Yanmar's right at 12,000 pounds, so I need to upgrade. So that's what we're doing. We're gonna upgrade. I mean, and I'm not saying that we're gonna end up with a mini that's weighs that much. We might end up with a smaller one. I have ran a bunch of the John Deere 35s, and I really like those, and those are only 8,000 pound machines. I'm fine with that. But I think I'd like to get just a little bit bigger. Just depends on what I can find. I have been searching for almost a year now, and I'm just not pulling the trigger on one until I can find the one that I want and I think's gonna be a decent machine. I just really can't swallow the fact of spending $40,000 on something that's got 3,000 to 4,000 hours on it and been beat and abused, when I could just spend, you know, 10 to 20 to 30 more $1,000 on a brand new one. But because of COVID, you can't get them right off the rip. I can go get a John Deere 35 or 60. I mean, right now at my local John Deere dealer, but I will not deal with my local John Deere dealer. I hate them. They're horrible. I know hate's a strong word, but the flies on the wall in there probably get treated better than I do. So, and that goes for a bunch of people. I know a farmer who goes in there and spends millions a year, and they treat him the same way. He actually quit dealing with them and went to another John Deere dealer. But that's besides the point. This is why we're going to get this trailer. And even if we did end up with a smaller mini, these hydraulic tilt deck trailers are just, I think, the ticket to unloading and loading equipment efficiently and safely. You know, it's a lot lower to the ground than my gooseneck. And I just think all around it's going to be better. Plus, you don't have to mess with the ramp, so that's pretty nice. So, we're driving there. I think we got 244 miles left. About 3.5 hours. We left at 3:30 this morning, and really kind of left about an hour and a half earlier than what I planned. I woke up, got a phone call in the middle of the night freaking spam call. Woke me up and I just couldn't get back to sleep, so I just decided, well, I'm gonna get to rolling, because I did go to bed pretty early last night. Because it's, I think, all in all, it's probably be 14, 15 hours on the road today. Because this place is about as far west and center of Kentucky as you can get, which I kind of crazy. So, well, we're gonna get rolling down the road. Catch up with you guys here in a bit. Long reach action here on the side of, I believe we're on 65 at the moment. Ain't that the ticket there? He is getting it done. Thought I'd throw that in there. Alright, well, we're here. Here he comes with the trailer. So we're gonna get hooked up to it and on down the road. Alright, so it's been a minute, let's say 500 miles since I talked to y'all last. So we got the trailer and I stopped at my first stop and started to film it. My camera died and I couldn't find my camera bag, and I left it at the job yesterday, so I just slid by there and grabbed it. But so we got a new battery. So we got the trailer. Pulls amazing. It's everything what I wanted, down to a T. So we got some modifications I want to do to it within the next couple weeks to get it ready. I gotta get some more binders and more chains and more straps, so that way we can put it on there. I gotta figure out a toolbox situation. And I gotta mount a spare tire on there. It's got the mounts already for the spare tire, and I actually have a spare tire in the bed of my truck for it already, a brand new one. So, yeah, pulls great. And we've done 500 miles with it so far, not a problem. Like you should with a new trailer. Sorry it's so dark, but I literally have been on the roads pretty much 17 hours. We left at 3:30 this morning. It is now 20 till 8, and I'm about a half hour from home. So in the morning we'll get a couple shots of the trailer. It's just gonna be too dark tonight when I get home. But I also stopped and looked at excavators on the way home. I stopped and I ran by, seen a Sany dealership. Those are the ones one of the brands I'm looking at. I'm kind of skeptical because they're so new to the United States, but they're really well known over across the pond. But if you guys know of any excavators for sale, send them my way. I'm looking for a 8 to 12,000 pound machine, preferably with a cab, AC and heat. Would like to have a thumb, but if I don't have a thumb, oh well, I can put one on it. I do not want a Bobcat, and I do not want a Kubota. Other than that, those are the only two brands that I really want to shy away from. I'd really like to have a Yanmar 55. Kind of seems what I like, and I know my local Yanmar dealer, about an hour from me, he says that I'm looking at 6 to 8 months before he could get a brand new one in, unless I want to pay $20,000 extra for shipping to get one imported over here. They're running out of containers to ship them, I guess. But yeah, I mean, if anybody knows any used, you know, for the right price, I wouldn't care to do a little bit of work. I'm pretty much scouring the whole East Coast for them daily, or well, what time I have during the day to look for them. So, but that's gonna wrap it up for today. We'll get some good footage of it tomorrow morning before I leave. Hopefully it's not dark in the morning, but I don't know, it might be dark, it might be tomorrow evening before I get to it, because I gotta bright and early get to the job. But thanks for coming along for the ride. I know it wasn't anything very entertaining or awesome to watch. I actually was gonna film at the trailer place, but he asked me not to, so I won't put any of that footage in, other than I think I took one clip from inside the truck. So but they treated me extremely well. Did everything that he said and delivered on everything I asked for. So that's gonna be it. We'll catch up with you guys in the daylight. All right, guys. It's the next day, next evening actually. So here she is. Here's a new trailer we went and picked up yesterday. So it's a Big Tex 14 TL. So tilts from there back. It's gravity feed. Have you seen them before? It's nothing special. The only thing I've seen wrong with it so far is we're missing a grease cap. It was there, but now it's not. So we got a good bit of plans we need to do to this, because we need to outfit it to make it work for what we do. So we need to definitely put the spare tire on there, but I'm not sure yet, because we need a strap and chain place. I'm thinking of maybe welding something on top of here, bring the spare tire up higher, and then have a place for my boomers to slide in. If you guys watch any of Dirt Perfect's videos, he's kind of got a pretty cool trailer setup, how he puts his boomers, his speed binders and stuff in there, and I'm thinking about mimicking that, and then building a flip down door. I'm pretty sure I'm going to get rid of the jack right here. I'm going to put it on the outside, get another one put over there, so that way it's got dual. I don't know, I need to see how low that actually sticks. I didn't really pay attention before I unhooked it. And this guy, the coupler lock, I need to figure out what I can do there to lock that. Yeah, I don't know, it just depends. I've about lost the nut there, but I don't know. We're gonna mount the spare tire in there, see. Oh, plus we need to put lights on the thing. It's got lights, but we're gonna put reverse lights because the back of the truck's wired up for it. So, and the gooseneck's really the only one that's got the lights, but you can't see squat at night with this thing. So that's the plans with it, but that's the new trailer. So thanks for going along with the ride with me yesterday, and we will catch up with you guys on the next one. So don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment, and thanks for watching.